everyone, it's me, Rhiannon. Today's video is a bit different to what I usually do. I usually am showing you my style and what I like and what I'm wearing at the minute. But today I've decided to recreate the outfits of Emma Chamberlain. So, if you don't know who Emma Chamberlain is, she is a YouTuber, she's 18, she lives in LA, and recently she sort of rose to YouTube fame in the past few years. And I like her, she's literally one of my favourite YouTubers. I think she's so entertaining, I like how original she is, and her style is really good. So, I actually don't think she has a very different fashion sense to me. The main difference between us is that she is very slim, whereas I am not. I am a size 14 to 16 in UK sizes. I just wanted to try some of them out for you and sort of try and recreate them and show you what they look like on my body type, because obviously they look a certain way in her body type, wondering if I can get the same look on my body. Now, like I said, I don't think my fashion sense is too different to hers. Like, my fashion sense is like jumpers, jeans, trainers, but I do seem to wear the same outfits over and over again, sort of regurgitate it, and I wonder if this can sort of push me out of that and help me be more inspired in what I wear, go to more colours, because I've done my washing recently and I've literally got so many black things I didn't even realise, and also I'm sort of in a little rut of wearing these leggings all the time. So yeah, I thought this might be a good thing to try and inspire me to like branch out a little bit more into colours, different types of trousers, stuff like that. So I went on ASOS and I picked up a lot of stuff, okay? I spent nearly £500 on some clothes to try and recreate some outfits from Emma's Instagram. So that's just what I'm gonna do, and I hope you enjoy it. See you in a minute. Okay, so this is the first outfit. It's not gone as planned. So she has ripped jeans, but I couldn't find any ripped in this colour on ASOS in my size. So I just thought my jeans that I already had, which are these ASOS Fairly jeans, are like mom jeans and they're very similar colour. Yeah, this jacket is the wrong colour. It's too green and it's too big as well. Right, so this is just my belt I'm putting on. Bloody no wonder she's so skinny. I'm absolutely working up a sweat putting these shoes on. So she had sleeves on her top and I've sort of like not got any sleeves. Obviously I'm missing the rips in the jeans. I think this is a bit big, but I think this is quite a good match. And then I've got the same shoes on. I like these a lot. Yeah, I like this actually, this look is nice. Like, obviously my belly isn't as flat and toned as hers, so like having my belly out maybe isn't for the best. I'd give this, like, for looking like hers, 6.5 out of 10. Got the same shoes, same colour jeans, belt. Like, the colours are there, but it's just like the fit of things that isn't. So like, she has sleeves, whereas I don't. This is a bit too long. I feel like this is a hit, other than the top, where you can literally see my bra through it. I think this is a bit big and it's sort of swallowing me up quite a lot. But yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. The next look is this like winter one. Emma wears these. Whose dog is that? Sports type socks all the time, and I wear these socks constantly. So I do feel like this outfit is quite close to something that I would wear on a normal day, just because I wear leggings quite a lot, and obviously I wear these shoes And as much as I like a pink and red combo, I just don't think I would wear this hat. I feel like this is like a chilled winter, like I think she was on holiday or something in the photos that she took this. You know what, I'm gonna go in the bathroom and take like a recreation photo and try and put my leg on the sink like she has, but I think that my sink is a lot taller than hers. Okay, so my sink does not have the dimensions of this sink that she's at. You cannot see my feet at all. Am I doing it? It's so weird taking a mirror selfie but like not in the mirror. So I'd give this outfit an 8. Yeah, for like accuracy, the only thing that's different is the fluffiness of the coat, but like other than that, I think it's pretty spot on. I don't think I would wear this outfit because I wouldn't tuck my socks into my shoes like that, because that is just not what I do. I've always got my ankles out. But yeah, I feel like this is more casual. Like this would be like me going to the shops, because obviously I live in a cold area. But yeah, I would wear all these things just maybe not together. And for an outfit, yeah, I quite like it. I just look really wintry, don't I? But I am absolutely sweating. Don't like these pants. They're not the right colour. His are like a mustard and these are just horrible. Oh dear. So this next photo, I decided to get the necklaces. I got like this ASOS, loads of chain type necklaces in one. Looks so awful, I can't believe it. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, so this is the final outfit. Okay, so I went for this top because I thought the design was quite similar to the design in Emma's top. She's wearing that, hers says angel or something. I was like typing in like angel top, graphic top, like, and this was the one that I think resembles it the most. The jeans are just a write-off. They're not the same colour, they're not the same style. They've got these on, and I thought this might look cool because she uses a shoelace to tie her jeans, but they're just like, they've just arrived. They don't have like, they're just there. I don't really get that. That's his final look. I'm gonna try and take a photo, the same as her photo that she's got in my mirror. Okay, so I tried to recreate the photo. I don't know how well that worked. To be honest, I think this one's a fail because I just don't think I've got the vibe of the outfit whatsoever, and I think it's down to these jeans. These are so the wrong colour and they just look wrong. This is not my, I'm like, me and Emma have got similar styles. This is not my style at all. Like some things that she was wearing I really like, but this is just not for me. This just doesn't flatter me in any way. Okay, this is the next one. To be fair to me, I think I've got quite a good match here. This just doesn't suit my body type whatsoever. It's so tight, like the jeans are so tight, like, they're literally cutting into me. These are from Monkey, but they're not the right shape. Again, here's like flat out a little bit and these are like skinny. I would not wear these in my normal life. I just wouldn't. I think I've done a good job with the top. I think this top is really similar to the one that she's wearing. And then I think it's just from Warehouse. And I'm just wearing these chains again because I think she wears them pretty much all the time. But yeah, I just don't think that this, I think the jeans sort of ruin this. Right, I'm gonna try and do what she's doing. I think the main thing with her clothes is that everything is so tight, which isn't flattering on my body type whatsoever. So like this is just, like this is my problem area, and this is just like, everyone look at my problem area. I'm gonna try and recreate it. She's like this. Her hair's obviously longer than mine. She's like... For an outfit, I'd give this a 6. For matching hers, I'd give this an 8.5. Because other than the flare of the pants, there was nothing different except the person in it. Okay, so this is the final outfit. I feel like this is the most Emma Chamberlain outfit you could think of. She always wears these, I'm out of breath, I have to put my shoes on. She always wears these tartan, or like Americans call it, plaid pants, and then the turtleneck, long sleeve turtleneck, and then these Dr. Martens. Now, I couldn't find these pants in the women's for the life of me, so these are men's pants. I've got them pulled up to be high-waisted. I thought that I'd get the men's one because I feel like she does a lot of like vintage thrift shopping, and like she would wear men's pants, but you know, we've got different body types. So yeah, and I sort of think I look like I'm in the EDL. Can I say that? Well, I have. Okay, so the scrunchie is in. Just gonna tie it up at the back. Scrunchie. To be fair, I think this is a good recreation of her look. Again, it just doesn't suit my body type. The tightness of everything that she wears just doesn't suit me, which is obviously to be expected. But I don't know, I feel like this is a good, like, a good recreation of the outfit. So, and the photo that I'm looking at, she's like on a beach. Did I do good? How did I do? Good? This is a good recreation. I'd literally give this like a 9 for recreation. For an outfit on me, I'd give it like a 5. It doesn't look bad, but I just wouldn't wear this top because it's just so tight on me. And like obviously that just doesn't flatter me at all, and the pants I don't think flatter me either. They're just so tight. I started this video by thinking that me and Emma had really similar styles, but on reflection I don't think we do. I would literally never ever pick out any of these outfits except for maybe the first one. And yeah, so that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!